Welcome to Clever Mum, where smart kitchen tricks make life easier. Let's help you feel confident in the kitchen, one step at a time. Did you know a knife isn't just a tool? It's the secret to unlocking a better cooking experience. Picture a dull blade crushing a tomato into pulp. Frustrating, right? But here's the clever fix. A sharp chef's knife glides effortlessly, creating perfect slices. The difference? Night and day. Pair it with a paring knife for peeling apples or slicing small fruits. And a bread knife. It keeps crust crisp while leaving soft interiors untouched. These are tools every clever mum swears by to bring ease and joy into the kitchen. Let's talk utility knives, the unsung heroes of the kitchen. Slice sandwiches neatly, halve oranges in seconds, or handle those in-between tasks no other knife seems to manage. Specialized knives like these are thoughtful investments every mum and home cook should consider to make everyday meals quicker and healthier. What about heavier tasks? The boning knife removes meat from bone with precision, and the cleaver, it powers through dense cuts effortlessly. Using sharp knives isn't just about efficiency, it's also about safety. Less force means you're in control, avoiding slips and accidents. Now let's master technique. A clever mum knows proper grip is key. Hold your knife firm yet relaxed for maximum control. Whether slicing onions or chopping cucumbers, let the blade glide like an extension of your hand. Balancing your movements helps you feel confident, turning prep time into a smooth, mindful experience. Each motion has its magic. For herbs, use a rocking motion for fast, tidy chopping. For bread, try a clean sawing rhythm. Every technique feels like a small win, leveling up your kitchen game. These thoughtful touches turn cooking into a joy for you and your family. Care is the heart of every great tool. Hone your knives regularly to retain their edge. Store them safely in blocks or on magnetic strips. Avoid the dreaded tool drawer. Keeping your knives in great shape means you'll always be ready to whip up something wonderful. And when it comes to cleaning, hand washing is the ultimate act of love for your knives. No dishwashers. These ruin the fine edges. Warm, soapy water keeps them pristine, making each blade the trusty ally you need for years of creative cooking ahead. Healthy meals start with the right tools. Picture a Sunday dinner. Your chef's knife slices veggies effortlessly, and the paring knife crafts cute fruit shapes for your kids. These moments remind us that small upgrades, like a sharp knife, can completely change how you embrace cooking. Each tool transforms not just meals, but the joy of cooking itself. With the right knife, every slice feels like a step toward mastery, and every meal becomes a gift for those you love. Frustrations in cooking often come from poor tools. A sharp, versatile knife changes everything, not just functional, but empowering. It connects you to cooking as a craft. Invest wisely. These aren't just tools, they're your partners in making kitchen magic. So why wait? Choose tools that inspire confidence. With each slice, you're not just cooking, you're creating, nourishing, and sharing love, one dish at a time. Your kitchen deserves this upgrade. Thanks for watching, Clever Mum. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you master the kitchen and feel confident cooking for your loved ones. Hit the bell so you never miss a video.